If you ride an Africa Twin, you know how much peace of mind matters when you're out on the road or even off of it. These are the Zieger Crashbar sets, and they are designed to protect your CRF1100L from bumps, slides, or unexpected falls that can just normally happen when you're on the road. Now, these bars aren't just about safety, they're actually engineered to hold up when it counts, and you're gonna look good while they're doing so as well. Now, these are gonna protect your engine and other vital components on your motorcycle, keeping all of the expensive stuff off the ground. Even if you do tilt over and fall, these are gonna make sure that they actually support the motorcycle rather than making contact. Now, each side has a cross connection, as you can see here, and that's going to give you extra stability so the bars don't just sit there, they're actually going to reinforce the frame in a fall as well. Installation is straightforward. They use your bike's OEM mounting point, so there's no cutting or custom work required at all. And as you can see, the mounts are actually finished in a sleek black, and they're going to give your Africa Twin a rugged, real purposeful look as well. Now, everything you need to get them onto your bike is included in the package. You're going to get your mounting hardware, and clear mounting instructions are also included as well. So whether you're tackling dirt trails, you're going on the city streets, these Zieger crash bars are going to give your Africa Twin that extra layer of protection and style that every rider wants. Now, my name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions for us, you can reach us at 786-242-5400. And if you're interested in this crash bar set, they are sold as an upper and lower crash bar set together in one kit. You can find them available at accessoryinternational.com. And if you found any value out of this video today, give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you next time.